guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. Today's video, we are getting into my bedroom makeover process and what I did, how I budgeted, what items I used that I already had, and the items that I invested in. And this process I did not do alone. I did it with one of my friends, Darlene, who I work out with, and she showed me her interior design page one day, and I was like, oh my gosh, like, you are amazing, your work's amazing, I need you to help transform my room. And we did it. As you can see, a little bit sneak peek in the back right now, like, look how cute, the aesthetic is amazing, so me. And she helped me bring together the pieces that I love in my life, like surfing, the ocean, those kind of colors, plants, like so much. And I'm gonna link her Instagram so you guys can see some of her content. And if you want to recreate your room or change up a room, transform a room, definitely reach out to her. She's absolutely amazing and really talented. So let's get into the process of how I redid my room. This is a final look of my bedroom, so you guys have an idea of what it ended up looking like. I obviously wanted to incorporate fashion within my room and create a YouTube studio in my bedroom, so it was a little bit more personal for you guys, and you guys kind of got an idea of who I am, what I like. As you can see, I love plants. I really wanted to incorporate that within my room. I wanted it to reflect who I am, and it's very simple. The plants give a lot of life to the room. I really wanted to incorporate the ocean and colors that I loved. I wanted it to be simple and a very peaceful vibe, and we really ended up creating that, and we did that with a lot of things that I had in the house, and also budgeted with items from H&M or Home Goods. And I'm gonna get into further detail of where I got each item. I ended up ordering from H&M home website the blue decorative pillowcase and the pattern pillowcase on my bed, and I love them. They were super affordable and great quality. Salt lamp I actually got a couple years ago from Home Goods, and I decided to keep that within my room because it's really good vibes and just gives a lot of good energy to the room. I ended up ordering a beautiful bamboo clothing rack from Amazon, and it was super easy to put together and it's great quality. This is the before of my bedroom, and as you can see, it was very cluttered and there wasn't really an aesthetic or a vibe, and I really wanted to transform that and make it more me because it really didn't reflect who I was. And I'm glad that I made this change because you can really see the difference. So today we're painting my room white. It's going from yellow to white, and I'm so excited to transform my room. Let's get into it.
There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away.
It's the day after we spray painted my mirror. It was normally silver, and now it's this beautiful antique gold. And I'm loving it, like absolutely gorgeous, so easy. Honestly, what we did was we just taped here so it wouldn't get on the mirror, of course, and then laid a plastic bag. So currently we're still in the process of redecorating my room and switching some things up. So I've decided that I'm getting rid of my bed that I've had. Not getting rid of it, but just putting it away and using this brass bed. And I'm so excited about it. These two picture frames I found in my basement, and I thought they would be a perfect gold accent within the white room and kind of just be a little bit different than a normal picture frame. And these are the pictures that are going in it. The pictures that I got from Etsy, I ordered an online print, and these are them. If you guys know, I love surfing, I love the ocean, so I wanted to incorporate that within my room. Picked up these sheets from Home Goods, and they're super affordable and perfect because I wanted that all white look. And I'm also going to get a duvet, I think it's called, or like a really big white comforter because I want it to be pretty simple. Darlene and I ended up going to IKEA to find myself a lamp, and this is the lamp we ended up going with. Also a little basket for a plant. I would like to give a big shout out to my parents and to my brother for helping me set up my bed and take apart my old one. I ended up switching my knobs out for gold knobs from Amazon that were super affordable, that came in a pack, and it really dressed it up. We ended up buying a mirror from Home Goods that we hung up above my bed, and it really opened up the room. These were normally blue, and we decided to use what we have and be on a budget. I ended up buying 3 beautiful plants from Briggs Nursery. Darlene ended up helping me hang up my hanging plant, which I had gotten from Briggs Nursery. It really added a beautiful look to the room. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and took something from it, or maybe this inspired you to redo your room. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a video with me. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.